my channel. This is Devyani this side. Before moving ahead for today's video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, because we would be on this journey together. Now talking about today's video, since my channel is not just on fashion and lifestyle but it is also on wellness, आज मैंने सोचा कि just बैठ के कुछ अच्छी चीज़ों के ऊपर बात करते हैं, like discuss and share a few things. So I'm going to share with you guys 10 must to do things in your lifestyle which you should add, or you can say certain good habits which you should add in your lifestyle, especially for women, and some of them are also useful for men. So yeah, I thought of sharing with you what I have learned till now in my life. Now talking about habits, habits is something मैं आप लोगों को सिखा नहीं सकती, right? It is something कोई भी किसी को सिखा नहीं सकता है. I am no expertise in it. It is something which you learn through your experiences. आप खुद ही समझ जाते हो, आपको खुद ही समझ में आ जाता है कि ओके ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है, मुझे ये प्लस माइनस करना है अपनी लाइफस्टाइल से. You get to know it. Your body gives you signs. So yeah, let's get started with today's video and let me show you all 10 must to do things to the best of my knowledge. The first habit that I want to talk about is to wake up early. ये जितना आसान बोलने में है उतना ही बहुत ज़्यादा difficult. I know it because I have struggled a lot to inculcate it in my lifestyle. Now for a working woman like me, like we have our household chores plus we have office का काम and so many other things to do. Waking up early is just so important because आप जब जल्दी उठते हो ना तो आपको पूरा दिन अच्छे से मिल जाता है to allocate all the things in your life and आपको अपने लिए भी वक्त मिलता है. तो मैं जब लेट उठती थी तो मुझे अपने लिए वक्त ही नहीं मिलता था. I used to just struggle doing यही सब ऑफिस का काम, घर का काम and ख़त्म, the day is over. But the moment when you start waking up a bit more early, आप पहले आपका पूरा काम निपटा सकते हो. Then you can just sit and give some time to yourself, which is so much important. I would suggest you to please give at least 1 or 2 hours in your whole day for just yourself. Like just sit and do whatever you like. आपकी कोई भी hobby हो, आपको जो भी पसंद हो, anything. It can be anything. So yeah, that is what is all about my first habit, that if you're still struggling to do it, don't give up. I know it is very difficult, but you will surely do it one day. So please start waking up early for that extra 1 or 2 hours for yourself. The second habit that I'm going to talk about is to start stretching. Of course, it's ideal if you start working out properly. But if you're someone like me, जिसका workout के साथ बिल्कुल भी नहीं जमता है, मेरा जमता ही नहीं है. I don't know what is wrong. I make sure that I at least stretch out a little because being a working woman, मेरा पूरा दिन एक ही जगह पे बैठ के जाता है and I just can't sit at one place for longer hours. Of course, यार कितना बैठोगे एक ही जगह पे, right? So what you can do is you can just, since it's work from home, you can just move around in the house, stretch a little bit, stretch before your office hours start or after your office hours end. And if you're in the office, going in the office, you can just move around in the office a bit, You can just do it anyhow, but make sure that if you're not able to work out, then at least stretch out a little, do any kind of exercise, whatever you like. And of course it makes you less lethargic. It helps you to be active continuously. So yeah, I would really suggest you that if you're someone who's not able to work out, then please start stretching. The third habit which I'm going to talk about is to drink. The third habit which I'm going to talk about is to drink water. We all of course know the benefits of this magical drink, jal hi jeevan hai. But we are also lazy sometimes to even get up from our bed and go to the kitchen and have it. And we always want, someone to get it for us. So, cut out that habit, and what I would suggest you is to keep a handy water bottle everywhere with you. Like nowadays, since you're working from home, keep it next to your working table, or if you're going out, make sure you carry a water bottle everywhere, so that even if you're thirsty, you don't have to look around for water. You have it handy and you sip on some water. Sometimes what happens is, you are actually thirsty, but you feel that you're hungry and you end up eating. So the next time you feel like that, try sipping on some water first. You will really feel good, and it's good for your digestion, it's good for your skin, and so many other body problems flushes out with this magical drink. The fourth habit that I want to talk about is something really important to all the women out there, and it is self-examination of your period cycle. Now by self-examination, I don't mean to say कि आपको हर समय डॉक्टर को विजिट करना है. There is no need. This is something what you can do at your own home and by yourself. So what you have to do is simply हर या 2 महीने या 3 महीने में एक बार, सिर्फ एक बार उसके ऊपर अच्छे से ध्यान दो. Make sure that they are coming on time, they are going on time, whatever it is, like the flow is too much or too less, however the situation is. Just keep on self-examining time to time, because of course you need to take care of that as well. You can't just ignore it. Also, it is so important, because we are also busy in our lifestyle कि हम बस इस पे ही ध्यान देते हैं कि ओके मिस तो नहीं हो गए, आ गए ना, हाँ ओके दैट इज़ इनफ. बट ये इतना ही इनफ नहीं है. यू नीड टू लुक इन टू इट प्रॉपरली, एंड हर समय ऑफकोर्स हम नहीं ध्यान दे पाएंगे. सो मेक श्योर कि आप 2 महीने में सिर्फ एक बार उसके ऊपर अच्छे से ध्यान दो. Fifth habit that I'm going to talk about is to change your bed sheets every week. Now what happens is when you keep one single bed sheets for more than a week or 2, you may get certain body rashes on your body. Now this is very important for those people who stay away from their families. जो लोग बहुत दूर रहते हैं, who are bachelors especially, वो लोग घर के ऊपर इतना ध्यान नहीं दे पाते हैं, right? So what happens is also for girls, you may get acne on your skin because you sleep on that pillow cover which is already you are carrying it since 2-3 weeks, and it's not good for your skin basically. People also say that you should use silk pillow covers, but I have personally not tried it yet because I'm just so used to these cotton bed sheets and cotton pillows. And also of course fresh bed sheets, they give you such a sound sleep. पता नहीं उसका क्या मैजिक है कि आप जब फ्रेश बेड शीट देखते हो तो आपको बस सोने का मन करता है. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज फॉलो दिस, दैट आई मेक श्योर आई चेंज इट every Saturday because Sunday is of course a holiday, and you can have your beauty sleep. So yeah, please make sure that you change your bed sheets at least once in a week. Sixth habit that I'm going to talk about is to clean your room before sleeping. Now by cleaning, I don't mean to say कि आप deep cleaning कर लो हर रोज. It is just not possible, I know. But you can just keep the things back at its own place. जो भी आपने दिन भर के सारा भी जो भी सामान निकाला है, एटलीस्ट उसको वापस जगह पे रख दो, और then you can go to sleep. Why am I saying this? Because when you wake up and you see your room nice and clean, you feel really motivated, you feel really active, and you're just good to go for the day. ऑल्सो आप जब ऐसे रेगुलरली क्लीन करते रहते हो ना, तो आपकी रूम एकदम एक्सट्रीम डर्टी नहीं हो जाती कि कोई आपके ऊपर चिल्ला दे एंड देन यू डू इट. सो या दिस वे इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स योर रूम टू ऑलवेज लुक क्लीन एंड टाइडी एवरी टाइम. सो मेक श्योर कि आप अच्छे से उसको क्लीन करते हो एंड देन यू गो टू. सेवेंथ हैबिट दैट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू वुमेन लाइक मी हु आर मैरिड, हैव देयर ओन हाउसहोल्ड कोर्स प्लस ऑफिस एंड मेनी थिंग्स. इट इज़ टू प्लान योर लंच एंड डिनर्स बिफोर. नाउ दिस इज वेरी सब्जेक्टिव, लाइक अगर आपको करना हो तो आप ये कर सकते हो. इट इज़ रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू. बट फॉर मी, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूज़ हो जाती थी कि मैं अब क्या बनाऊँ, कल क्या बनाऊँ, परसों क्या बनाऊँ, एंड I used to end up making anything rubbish, sometimes, which is very unhealthy also. So yeah, what I started to do is I started making a diary कि okay हफ्ते भर का मैं पूरा मंगा लेती थी सामान, and then okay Monday को क्या बनाऊँ, Tuesday को क्या बनाऊँ, Wednesday को क्या बनाऊँ. This way I used to like be okay, मेरा पूरा अच्छे से I'm going to intake good food as well, and of course I can add on and deduct. Last minute तो होता ही रहता है, so it happens. But it is really going to be helpful for you if you start doing it, and yeah, वो आप जंबल नहीं हो जाओगे कभी भी कि okay मैं क्या ही बनाऊँ. You are never going to stand in the kitchen confused कि what should I prepare right now. So yeah, if you would like to give it a try, do give it a try. The eighth habit is to the reference to the previous one, and it is to eat healthy food. Now I'm not going to talk about कि क्या healthy क्या नहीं. We all are very much educated about this now because हम सबको पता है कि क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है. हर किसी की body अलग है, so everyone knows what's good for their body, what's bad. What I would just like to suggest you guys is to make this as well a habit in your lifestyle कि आप अच्छे से अपने हर रोज़ के पूरे दिन भर में कुछ ना कुछ हेल्दी इंटेक करते हो. I know we all are busy in our lifestyle, sometimes it is not possible, but make sure कि आप किसी ना किसी तरीके से कुछ ना कुछ healthy intake करते ही रहते हो. Of course, it's good for your body and digestion and so many other things. So yeah, please make it this as well. The ninth habit that I'm going to talk about is to moisturize your body daily. Now we all girls know its importance, and of course you're not going to find any girl who is not doing it, but there are so many boys who don't know its importance and they don't follow this. To all you guys especially, please make sure that you apply proper moisturizer on your body. Don't think that this is such a girly thing and how will I do. It is not like that. It is to take care of your skin, because just as your stomach needs food, your skin needs nourishment, and you have to give it back, because if you don't, then the skin is going to get super dry after a time, and you're not going to like your skin anymore. So make sure that after you carry out your shower routine in the morning, apply a little bit moisturizer all over your hands, legs. And if you're not going to do in the morning, you can also do it at night before sleeping anyhow. So don't think that this is something which only girls do or anything like that. Start doing it, you will notice the difference. Last one from this list, and the 10th habit which I'm going to share you guys is to apply a homemade mask weekly. Now this is again very important for men and women both. So guys, if you're watching my video, then don't feel कि ये लगा के मैं क्या करूँगा. It is not like that. Nowadays, even you guys' skin is getting prone to acne and pimple due to many reasons, of course, and you should take care of it. So what you can do is simply at home you can apply any homemade mask filled with homemade ingredients. And girls, if you're already carrying out a good homemade mask, please keep continuing with it and try to apply it once in every week. But twice is of course good, but we can't do that, but at least you can do once in every week. And of course, if you would like to know that about my homemade mask, then let me know in the comment section below. I'll surely make a video on that. And yeah, these are just few simple steps which are good for your skin, and you need to take care of it. So guys and girls both, please make sure that you do apply a good homemade mask weekly. So yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. I know वीडियो थोड़ी सी लंबी हो गई ना, but I hope कि आप लोगों ने यहाँ तक देखी है, because it is surely important for you. These are very common things in life, but we all tend to forget because of our busy lifestyles, and I really wanted to talk about it because people then take it more seriously. So I hope that this video was useful for you in some or the other way, and you will try to inculcate these things in life. It is going to be difficult, I know, but don't give up. You can start down with any easy habit whichever I've mentioned, and steadily it is going to be a part of your lifestyle. Then you don't have to do anything about it. It's just going to be a part of your lifestyle. So yeah, please start doing it if you have not done until now. And I hope you liked this video, so please put up a thumbs up. Also, if you want to get to know about me more, then don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I've mentioned the link below, and please do subscribe to my channel. Until next time.